The luckiest person in the world is the one who turns his hobby into a business. If you are of them looking to convert Cricut crafting into a small home business by utilizing Cricut, then a fine quality sublimation printer for Cricut is a one-stop solution for your needs. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET 3760 Printer. With the low print yield for both monochrome and color images, Epson EcoTank ET 3760 is a perfect option for you. The durable plastic body comes with a compact design for convenient placement and storage. The easy-to-read display has several physical buttons for effortless navigation. You can also tilt the screen for sitting and standing convenience. It has 4 high-capacity ink tanks, which can be refilled easily. Scanning features are good, with a flatbed scanner and sheeted scanner offering an automatic document feeder to make scanning and copying tasks easier, which ET 2750 lacks. You will love the low cost per print for large volume printing projects. Page yields for color and black ink were remarkably affordable for long-term use. Offering a great resolution of 4800 x 1200 dpi, EcoTank ET 3760 prints photos with decent quality and well-defined colors. Epson EcoTank ET 3760 provided a decent printing speed more than ET 2750. I used the 300 dpi for small-sized substrates and got a decent print speed of up to 10 ppm. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET 15000. Expensive choice but worth the price. A combination of an incredible tank system, remarkable high color, ease of setup, low cost per print, and durable build quality, the Epson EcoTank ET 15000 is a versatile sublimation printer for Cricut. Epson ET 15000 is the most reliable printer to use with Cricut. Featuring a relatively large design, ET 15000 comes with a decent touch screen to navigate options. A remarkable super tank system with 4 ink tanks, this printer offers a great page yield for both color and black documents. Scanning features are good, with both flatbed and sheet-fed scanners available. You can easily scan multiple page documents in a row. However, the printer doesn't have duplex scanning but won't be a problem for sublimation. When it comes to sheet capacity, the ET 15000 has 250 sheet capacity, including a front tray and a rear feed for specialty paper. The Cricut Print Then Cut feature is able to accommodate up to 9.25 by 6.75 inches, but apart from using it with Cricut, I was able to print wide format sheets up to 13 by 19 inches without calibrating. Check 1319 sublimation printers. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET. Manufactured for small and home-based businesses under a budget, this all-in-one printer by Epson is an inexpensive option for large volume document handling. Starting with the relatively compact design, Epson EcoTank ET 4850 has 2.4 inches color touchscreen display for effortless printing, scanning, and faxing. Thanks to the 250 sheet tray along with duplex printing, paper handling was super easy and best for continuous printing. A 30-page automatic document feeder is another handy addition to an affordable printer. The printing speed of Epson EcoTank ET 4850 was 15.5 ppm for black and white and 8.5 ppm for color pages. Scanning features are possible with only a flatbed scanner available. The photo printing quality is satisfactory with ordinary color accuracy. You can use the printer for home but not for professional high-end. Featuring an innovative cartridge-free solution with high capacity and easy-to-refill ink tanks, the printer helps to save time and money. The low cost per print makes it an excellent choice for those who are looking for a cost-effective solution in the long run. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET 4760. An inkjet printer for sublimation with a super tank system, low cost per print, and versatile features, Epson EcoTank ET 4760 is another excellent option for small offices. The build quality and design of the printer are possible with a space-saving option for small office tables. Featuring 2.4 inches color touchscreen display, the control panels have only 2 physical buttons and a tilting option for convenient viewing angles. The Epson EcoTank ET 4760 features an outstanding super tank ink system. There are 4 high-capacity ink tanks that can be easily refilled at home. Not only do they hold lots of ink, but they also last for a long time. There are both flatbed scanners and an automatic document feeder available. When it comes to paper handling, Epson EcoTank ET 4760 provided us a capacity of 250 sheet paper trays and an adjustable input tray to facilitate a variety of paper sizes up to legal size. The cost per print is amazingly low, and the ink bottles are low priced. Number 5, Epson Workforce Pro WF 7840. This wide format printer has great build quality and decent design, offering convenient access to paper jams and ink cartridges. A touchscreen LCD display is super easy to navigate. The cartridge system is good but didn't provide great page yield to me. However, it can produce a higher number of color pages, which makes it a decent option for color printing. However, the cost per print was super high compared to EcoTank printers. The unit comes with a flatbed scanner and an automatic document feeder to print double-sided documents automatically. Additionally, you can lift the lid hinges to scan thicker items. Epson Workforce Pro WF 7840 offers a print speed of 25 ppm for black and 12 ppm for color pages. Another standout feature of this Epson Cricut printer is its decent photo printing quality. Also, the color accuracy is acceptable for home use but not for commercial printing.